Hey everybody, Amy here with Garden Up. On today's edition of Weed Wednesday, I want to talk about this little bugger right here. This little guy is another in the many weeds that is named after pigs, because, I don't know, people who name weeds just don't have any imagination, I guess. Anyway, this one is called Annual Sow Thistle. There are a lot of different varieties of sow thistle. There's Spiny Sow Thistle, Marsh Sow Thistle, Perennial Sow Thistle. Can you imagine this being a perennial? Oh my god, that'd be awful. Anyway, but this is the easiest one. This is Annual Sow Thistle, so it has a taproot, but it's real easy to dig, and it dies back anyway. You just have to stop it before it does this. Poof! There they go in the breeze. I just planted a bunch more and made a nightmare for myself next year. Anyway, Annual Sow Thistle produces these flying seeds just like dandelions. It is in the Asteraceae family, which is the sunflower family. The scientific name of this one is Sonchus oleraceus, and the distinct leaves are really what make this one stand out, because the leaves, the back of the leaves clasp the stem. They wrap almost all the way around, and all of the sow thistles do this. It's a really interesting characteristic of this particular type of weed. The basal leaves are also deeply lobed. Most of them actually are deeply lobed. You can see this one has 2 or 3 deep lobes going up the margin of the leaf. They have little yellow flowers, which these ones are already spent, so I'll put a picture up. Little yellow flowers, and they go into these blowy seeds that fly away. Real easy to dig up. I'm going to show you how it's done. It's just a taproot, just like any other simple taproot weed. I could do this one with my shovel, but given that it's the only one here, I'm even going to just use my hori-hori. Easy peasy. Done. Just like that. Just a simple taproot. It's not even that deep compared to how long the weed is. Yeah, it's not even a third of the length of the plant. So that one's real easy to deal with. You just got to get it before it goes to seed, and you won't have too much trouble with that one. On the next edition of Weed Wednesday, I will probably tackle this guy right here. If you've ever dealt with it before, it's easy to get rid of, but it's very pervasive because of the seeds. Anyway, I won't get into details about that, but if you like the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss our future videos. I will be doing Weed Wednesday every Wednesday for the next few weeks. And if you have a weed or a gardening topic or something you would like me to cover, please mention it in the comments below so that I can provide my audience with what you want. Okay, thanks so much. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the garden.